What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So, another week, another setup. Now, if you are new here, this is a series that I'm releasing every single week where I'm teaching you how to customize your iPhone within 90 seconds. In this week, we're gonna have a look into the Sleek theme that everyone asked for. So, if you wanna know more, you can check my other videos like here. And without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with a clean home screen. And the first thing that we're gonna need to set up is the wallpaper. I have left the link in the description so it will be easier for you. It's important that when you are setting up the wallpaper, you select the perspective zoom as off. That's required for the transparent widget to work properly. Now let's move on to the icons. The application that we're gonna use today, it's called Brass. That's where we're gonna find the icons. Now this is the time that is gonna be different depending whether if you are paying for the app or if you are utilizing it for free with ads. If you are using the free version, for every single icon, in order to be unlocked, you're gonna need to watch an ad. Now this step is very important for avoiding the notifications when you click on the icon in the home page. In order to do that, you need to download and install the profile. Once you are finished downloading it, let's go to the settings and search for profile. Once you are in the right page, you're gonna see the Brass custom icons. Just click on it and hit install. There you go. Once you are back to the home screen, all your icons will be there. Now let me organize the home screen a little bit. Moving on to the widgets. We're gonna set up a transparent widget using Brass. Here's how you're gonna do it. Once you are in the application, you go to the Widgets tab, then you click on plus at the top. Select the style of widget that you want. I'm gonna set up the bigger one here, and I need to choose the transparent. Now you can choose the style that you want. I'm gonna go with this one. Now is the moment that we need to set the Brass widget in the home screen. So enter in the wiggle mode by holding down your finger in the home screen. Once that's done, you click add widget. Now is the moment that we need to set the transparent background. We need to take a screenshot, so enter in the wiggle mode, move on to an empty area in the home screen and take a snapshot. Then you can utilize that snapshot as the background of the widget. Once you have the Brass widget in the home screen, you need to tap on it and hold it and click edit widget. Then you can scroll down and choose the widget that you just created. So tap on it. Then you can click again on set transparent background. You can select the snapshot that you took before. Click on done. And then you need to adjust the widget position. So mine is at the top. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one.